everybody, it is Boxing Day morning. It is still very early in the morning, which is why it's a little bit dark. The Monopoly is still out on the table from the day before. Don't worry, it's not 2014, it is 2023 still. The wrapping paper's all out in the house from yesterday. I had lots of family round. It was a really lovely day. So today will be a day of a little bit of tidying and sorting. There are still some presents that need to be delivered. But I just wanted to pop on here to show you something really special that I received as a gift yesterday. So for the past few months, my mum has been making these beautiful Wind in the Willows characters to go into my doll's house. So this is Mole, and she's put them into little Tudor outfits, and we've got Ratty here with his feather in his hat. She used the patterns from the Cynthia Treen book, The Wind in the Willows, to make these characters, and she designed the clothes herself. I thought you might want to see them. They have beautiful details such as a little button on the belt, the chain around his neck, and if you look on his little boots, there are two little beads right at the bottom. Let's pop the candle lights on in the background so that Ratty and Mole can see what they're eating. I can never remember whether the switch goes up or down. So I obviously want to say a huge thank you to my mum for making these two characters for me. I love them so much and I'm so grateful. I can see how much effort and love you've put into making them. So I will treasure them forever, and they look absolutely perfect in my doll's house. Just before I go, I want to show you, I also got this, which is a miniature train carriage, and it's a book nook to go onto a bookshelf. So if you're interested, I'll maybe film some videos of putting that together. And at some point I will also do an unboxing video just to show you this, because I've been bought this to try and help do some better sound on my videos. But for now, it's time to wash some pots and clear out the recycling. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're all well and you've had a lovely few days. And I hope you like Ratty and Mole for my doll's house. They're settling in nicely and enjoying their miniature Christmas dinner. So please let me know what you think in the comments. If this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, please do remember to hit subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.